Alrighty, so this one should be a fairly short video today. I got these hood pins in today. These are stainless steel. But one thing I don't like is these plates. They are super thin. I don't really like the craftsmanship on them. This one's even got a little bend in it. And of course this was a super cheap set. I think it was like 10 bucks. But I think I'm gonna do slight mod. I think I'm just gonna make new plates for this. I'll just make it out of aluminum. But I wanted to have a little bit more of a protrusion. I actually wanted to center in the hole that I'll put in the hood. And I'll put a threaded end on the back side that it'll nut to, so that I don't even have to run these kind of dinky little screws in the sheet metal. It'll just fasten itself to it with the screw on the back. So I think that'll work a lot better. I think it'll look better. The other thing is I'll have the backside that protrudes this way. I'll have a taper into it so that this has a better centering point to slide up into it. So I think that'll be nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. All right, so I've got everything programmed on here, tools loaded, ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start stepping it through the program. Hopefully nothing goes too badly. Alright, so now went ahead and set the pins in here, and just gonna put a thick dab of paint on top of each one and then set the hood down on it, and then I'll know where to drill. Alright, so that's basically it. Like I said, this is a pretty short and fast one. Got both of those on. Got rid of these dinky pieces of garbage. I mean, the bolts were fine. I mean, they were stainless and pretty decent quality. But like I said, those plates just didn't sit right with me. So, got rid of those. Now we got some halfway decent ones. So now, those are all in there. And I like this way of securing it better anyways. I didn't really care much for the like sheet metal screws like holding that plate in. And the way I did this one, of course, like, I don't know if you saw in the video, but I tapered that so that it finds that hole a lot easier. That way you're not struggling with it. So, should be a lot nicer than those plates, for sure. Alright, well, that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching.